I'm going to be making chicken tikka pasties by using puff pastry. I'm going to make them extra special by giving them a barbecue smell and flavour with the help of a smoke of a charcoal. The good thing about these pasties are you can make them ahead of time. You can make them a day before serving or leave them in the freezer for a couple of months and use them as you like. And you can serve them as an appetizer for a party or can use them as a picnic snack. After marination, leave the marinated chicken in the fridge for half an hour to 1 hour. The coal has infused the chicken with beautiful smell. Combination of chicken tikka, puff pastry and the smoky flavour of the charcoal is amazing. Smells amazing and tastes amazing.